Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Be the Best Mathematics. This is an O-level video that is going to be covering number bases. So let's get into the day's business. So now, when we count our numbers, we generally count up to 10. We have the digits that we have are 0, 1, we have 2, we have 3, we have 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And when we reach 10, we don't have a specific digit that represents 10, but rather we then go back and take a combination of digits, which is 1 and 0. So these are digits that were already specified before. In number bases, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 numbers in our general base that we usually make calculations with. And in this base, the digits that we have are 0 up to 9. When we then reach the actual number that represents our base, we don't have a specific digit like a digit that represents 10, but we come back and say now we have 110 and 0 units. So the same happens when we are using other bases. If we are counting in base 5. In base 5, the only digits that we are going to be having are 0, 1, 2, 3, and 4. We do not have a number that is 5. We do not have the digit 5 in base 5. Why? Because we only want 5 numbers in our base, not 6. So these are the only 5 digits that we are allowed to have. So how do we write 5 now? If we already have 5, 5 is going to be presented as 1, 5 and 0 units because we are now in base 5. So number bases are a way of counting numbers. If we are counting our numbers in 5, we are in base 5. If we are counting our numbers in 4s, so if we are in base 4, what we just need to know is how many 4s do we have? How many units do we have? If it's 7, that's 4 and 3. So we have 1, 4 and 3 units. So 7 is written as 1, 3 in base 4. So that's the system of number bases. Now we are asked to convert 10011. It is in base 2 and we are told to convert it to base 10. So what do you do when you are doing this? The first step is to lay out your number in a nice way. 10011 base 2. Now what do you need to do? The next step is you need to show the value of its place value. This place value is 2 to the power of 0. This is 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4. Right. And the next thing that you are going to be doing is you are going to be expanding the number in powers of the base. So what do? This is going to be equal to this one multiplied by 2 raised to the power of 0 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 plus finally 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4. So now you simplify everything. 2 to the power of 0 is going to be 1 times 1, that's 1, plus 1 times 2, that's going to be 2. Here we have 0, and then finally we have 16. So we're going to be adding 1 plus 2 plus 16, that's going to be 19 in base 10. So this number that we have in base 2 here is the same as the number 19 when we convert it to base 10. So whenever you want to convert a number from another base that is not base 10 to base 10, you want to convert a number back to the normal base that you use in everyday life. What you have to do is you have to expand that number in powers of the base. Now let us have another example. Let's go over another example. We want to convert the number 403 base 5, and we want to convert it back to base 10. So what do we do? The first place value represents a 5 to the power of 0. The second place value is 5 to the power of 1. The last place value is 5 to the power of 2. You have to increase the powers as we go from there, and the first power is always going to be 0. So what do we do now? Here we now know that this first place value represents a 5 to the power of 0, the second place value represents a 5 to the power of 1, and the last place value represents a 5 to the power of 2. So this is going to be 3 multiplied by 1 plus 0 multiplied by 5 plus 5 multiplied by 25. Now when we have this is going to become 3 plus 0 plus, this is 100. So this number is the same as 103 in base 5. Or in base 10, sorry. In base 10.
So that's it. Let me give this time to Fred.
Hey, I hope you enjoyed the video so far. If you are, please don't forget to hit that like button. It's a small and simple thing, but it really goes a long way toward helping others find my channel.